Back in London, great to be back, and I'm at our 18-week challenge and we're at week 15 and on to week 16. So I've been away, missed a week, but I'm going to be going through 20 changes and the house is looking super different. So let's take a look. Point number one, the external has now been painted in this beautiful light shade of pink. Point number two, the new wood sash windows have been installed and completely transformed this house. Point number three, the beading in the hallway running up the entire staircase has been installed and adds so much character. Point number four, to meet the 18-week challenge, we have got extra manpower on site. Point number five, the new polished concrete floor in the sunken kitchen is now being installed. Point number six, the new cupboard for the electrics and the manifolds for the underfloor heating has now been installed. Point number seven, the ceiling rows and the covings have now been installed. Point number eight, the upper floors have all been painted. Point number nine, the main family bathroom has now been skimmed and the bathroom tiles will be installed this week. Point number 10, the master bedroom has now been painted, the radiators are on, and also the ceiling rows and the coving has been installed. Point number 11, the master bedroom ensuite work is in progress and the tiles are being installed. Point number 12, the wood beading continues and all of the wooden posts for the staircase have been installed. Point number 13, the new loft area has been painted and the colour on these spindles looks absolutely stunning. Point number 14, the new bathroom in the loft, the tiles have been installed and look absolutely stunning. Point number 15, the new loft room has already been painted. Point number 16, the French doors in the new loft have been installed. Point number 17, the new glass for the skylight is now on site. And this is where it will be fitted with some recessed lighting. Point number 18, the garden slabs have now been installed. Point number 19, the new wide skirting for the master bedroom is now on site, ready to be installed. Point number 20, the teams on site have got everything under control. Stay tuned for this 18-week challenge. Immediately after the 18-week challenge, I had to fly off to West London to see another opportunity where cash is king. And apparently the story is there's a couple that's getting divorced and they're having to sell their project that they've already started. So a lot of the work's already been done. And this is where we can step in, but the numbers have to stack up. So I'm going to be evaluating that and hopefully I might close that tomorrow. So I'll let you know on the next video. Coming back to the 18-week challenge, it was nice to come back and see the changes and they're quite significant. And as part of the next 3 weeks, we've got 3 weeks to go. Week 15, 16, 17, 18 before we complete this house. And there's going to be some major changes every time a video is uploaded. We're going to have the kitchen on site, the tiles will be completed, the colour selection is absolutely amazing. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the schematics and the colours, the tiles, the design, the quality, and I'll be happy to reply and comment back. So it's important as part of your journey and as part of the learning process to try and get involved. With that said, for those of you that haven't followed this project from week one, you've got the opportunity to follow it and then learn how you can replicate and do this yourselves. There's no seminars, there's no pay per view or any sort of gimmicks here. It's literally free knowledge for you. So make sure you share, like and subscribe as always as part of your property journey, and I'll see you next week. Monty out.